Hey guys, this is Rita with 40 Plus Young. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Tonight I decided to talk about cleansing, especially cleansing your face at night. It's really easy in the morning when you're getting ready, you're in the shower. It's really easy to cleanse your face, right? But at night, we're tired, we've worked all day, we've hung out all night, etc., etc., etc. We give so many reasons why we don't clean our face at night, and we go to bed with makeup on and just the dirt and grime from the day. We end up just going to bed and saying, oh well. But I gotta tell you, it's really important for you to cleanse your skin at night, because that's when your skin cells are renewing. That's when your body is healing itself. So you want to make sure that your skin is clean. You don't want to have your body have to worry about cleaning itself from the dirt and the grime and dealing with the bacteria from just all day wear, if you will. So you want to make sure that your skin is clean. So what I wanted to do was talk a little bit about how I cleanse my skin. Trust me, even as a licensed esthetician, I can tell you cleansing my face at night sometimes is just really a pain. I don't feel like it, but then I have to tell myself, listen, you have to do it. So I'm going to share a little bit about what I use to cleanse my skin at night, and hopefully it will help you. So let's just get right into it. So one of the things that I use, first thing I do is I take off my makeup. Really simply, I use the Intrinsics wipes. They're lint free, they're really soft. They run for about $9 to $10 on Amazon. Estes call them 4x4s. So you get your little 4x4 and you remove your makeup. So what I do to remove my makeup is I use a cleansing oil. The one that I seem to keep falling back to, which I love, is the Burt's Bees. The Burt's Bees is really nice. It's runs about $13 to $14. You can get it at a drugstore. It's not super expensive. And so what I do is I just take like a pump or two into my folded 4x4 and I just kind of rub it together. And then what I do is I just cleanse my skin. Okay. So again, like, you don't want to really get it in your eye. Like, you can wipe it over your eyes, but just don't, try not to get it in your eyes, because it's happened to me and it stung a little bit. So I'm just telling you, don't get it in your eyes. So anyway, so what this does is just kind of softens everything up, helps to remove all the makeup. Okay, and then turn on my water and get ready for cleansing. So now for cleansing, what I do is, you can take whatever cleanser you're using right now. We can get into what cleansers you should use for what skin type in another video. So for now, just grab whatever cleanser it is that you have, that you're using, and you can start using that. So I am going to grab my Circadia. This is a professional line. This is what I use on my clients, and which I really love it. So I'm going to use it on myself today. This is the the lipid replacing cleansing gel. So I just take a dime-sized amount, wet my hand a little bit, and then I massage it into my skin. Now the trick here is you should be spending at least 60 to 90 seconds massaging the cleanser into your skin. A lot of people do this stuff really, really quickly, and when you do that, you're not cleansing your skin all the way. And you can even tell, because when you cleanse your skin really quickly, and then if you happen to wipe toner, add some toner at the end with a cotton ball, you still have traces of dirt and makeup on your cotton ball. It's because you didn't spend enough time actually massaging your cleanser into your skin. So I make sure that I'm cleansing, especially underneath the chin, because we do get makeup in this area, and a lot of times we end up leaving it there. We forget that it's there. And I go down into my neck area as well. And then my forehead, make sure you get up here, make sure you get into the hairline, because we end up putting bronzer. If you guys like to contour like I do, I get my bronzer, my foundation up there. Okay. So once I feel like I've massaged the cleanser into my face long enough, then I grab my white barber towel. So you could use barber towels. You can get a hand towel from, you know, Walmart or Target, wherever. Just make sure you get white, because, you know, as much as I love, you know, pink towels, gray towels, you know, what have you, the truth of the matter is that companies use dye to color the towels, and you don't want to have dye on your skin, or especially on your face. So try to stick with white towels. You can even grab, I've even grabbed white microfiber washcloths in the baby section at Dollar Tree. So you really don't have to spend a lot of money. Okay, so now I moisten my towel, and I use not hot water, but kind of warm, because I like the way the steam feels on my face as well. So you wring out the towel, and then you just wipe off the cleanser, you know, so you don't have to splash water all over the place and get the sink wet and your mirror wet and all that stuff. You really don't need to do that. You can avoid doing that just by using your hand towel, your washcloth, or barber towel. So I wipe my face 2 to 3 times to make sure that I have all the cleanser off. One more time for the people in the back. All right. All right, I think that's good enough. Once I finish taking off all the cleanser, then I go through my steps. I tone, I use my serum, and then I use my moisturizer. So some people ask me also, like, what order you should put things on. Like, we have all these layers that, you know, we know we're supposed to be putting on, but we don't really know how to put them on. You always want to go from the thinnest product to the thickest, because the thinner products absorb into the skin better, and then the thickest products, i.e. your moisturizer, kind of sits more so on top of the skin. So if you put your moisturizer on before you try to put a serum on, the moisturizer won't let the serum absorb into the skin. So you always want to go from the thinnest product to the thickest. So what I start off with is my rose water toner with hyaluronic acid. Rose water is really good for the skin. It's moisturizing. It helps, you know, just refresh the skin, replenish the skin. And then right now I've been using my SkinScript Vitamin C Green Tea Serum. This is a sample size, but, you know, I do have actually the regular size downstairs with all the products that I use for my facials, but I just keep this upstairs in my bathroom. So I put on my serum. I don't necessarily dry my face. I kind of let it air dry. That's just a Rita thing. I'm not saying you have to do it, but I just kind of try to let my skin air dry, because I feel, for me, like if it's still damp, it absorbs products better. That's just me. So after I do my serum, then I will do my treatment. I'm going to treat my skin tonight with the Retinol by SkinMedica. Retinol is good for helping your skin cell turnover, as well as, you know, fighting wrinkles and all that good stuff. So I will tell you, if you're going to use a retinol, please make sure that you have a really good moisturizer, and please make sure, please make sure that you use sunscreen, because retinol will make your skin very sensitive. So you want to make sure, if you're going out and about, that you're using sunscreen. Although a lot of us are stuck at home right now under quarantine, but you know what I'm saying. Anywho, then after my my retinol, you can choose to put an eye serum or what have you. I usually do, but I'm skipping that step tonight. And then I follow up with my moisturizer. I'm using a SkinMedica Dermal Repair Cream. Okay. But again, you know, just for the sake of this video, I'm not here to talk about like which products to use. I'm just showing you how I cleanse my skin at night. So make sure you get the neck, girlfriends, because let me tell you something. I know for me, I'm 47 and I'm definitely seeing a change in the skin of my neck, and I don't like it. So make sure whatever moisturizer you're using that you bring it down to the neck area. All right, guys, so that's about it. I hope you found this informative. If you have any questions, please comment below. I certainly appreciate your feedback. That's about it. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.